is the Maharashtra Darshan by Mr. Dilip Khanderai and his team. Nritya Bhushan, Mr. Dilip Kumar Shivaji Rao Khanderai, offers training in folk dancers and classical dancers since last 40 years. He has performed as choreographer for 2 films and 4 song albums. He has also performed as an actor in many plays. He has worked as a judge for more than 200 competitions of folk and classical dance. He has performed more than 100 dance performances on various TV channels. Also, he has performed in front of foreign tourists from more than 50 countries of the world. He is honored with many awards and prizes. He has performed in various national and international festivals. In the last 40 years, more than 2,500 folk dances have been performed by Mr. Dilip Khanderai.
गणपती बाप्पांचं आगमन झाल्याशिवाय कार्यक्रमातली रंगत वाढणार नाही आणि त्यामुळे महाराष्ट्रातील सुप्रसिद्ध लोककलावंत दिलीप खंडेराय आणि त्यांचा संच खंडेराय कला मंडलमच्या कलावंतांना मी मंचावरती आमंत्रित करतोय. आपल्या